is that for? Come on. If you don't want to break that glass, maybe you shouldn't be driving into other cars, dumbass. Stop. You gotta hit the gas though, like you gotta go. What's this guy doing? What the fuck are you doing?
Say thanks to all the people helping put this album together. Pickers did such a great job on the fiddle. Tim Kraut, Manlin, Adam.
What are you doing?
Dobro, Bob Axe, banjo, Sammy Sheila, acoustic guitar, Scott.
That's an interesting maneuver. I don't know about doing that on Eastern Avenue. You're lucky I'm in a good mood. Truly unbelievable.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Pandemic, unemployment, uncertainty, and the year I learned I may have to spend more for my HIV medicine. In the midst of everything else, a new Trump administration rule.
Whoa! Jesus Christ, people are fucking.
Check the flavor that I'm bringing. The motherfucking deal.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
So what, you gonna go all the way to the left now? Yeah! What are you doing, man? All the way to the left. Who's gonna yield? Jesus Christ. What, this like don't look? Hitting him with a spotlight, he's braking, not sure where to go. God. Guess you don't move for anybody, do you?